How to crop image into a circle in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can put the image into circle on Google Docs. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. So guys, here we are, and in Google Docs. So in Google Docs there is no any direct option to put your image in circle. So we can use another option called drawing. Okay, so just go to the insert, and here you can see the drawing option. Go to the new drawing. Okay, now we need to go in image. So you can upload image from your computer if you have. So I just search one image from Google only. Okay, okay, I take this image. Okay, so it has insert now, so I just minimize size. Now what you need to do, just select the image, just click on image, so it will be select. Now come to this crop or mask image option. Now go to the shape, and we need to click on this circle icon. So the circle icon has been insert. Now you can see the image is convert in circle. Okay, so now you can edit or edit, or you can customize your image. So from here action, you can add the word art, use the any. Okay, so now double click on again here, and you can write anything like flower. Just minimize this word, just ignore the spelling mistake if as. Okay, you can increase the border size, you can change the border style, and here okay. Okay, so after you've done your customization, just click on save and close. Now it is insert the image. Now if you trying to move it, it won't be moved, because when you insert the image from drawing, it not move. What you need to do for that, you need to change this option. So we need to click wrap text or behind text, and after you select that, you now able to move your images. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.